She's in the mood to scrapbook. Beautiful pictures of us and all our children too. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. And now for that scrapbooker extraordinaire, Terry Rice.
Yay, let's hear it from my MC. Okay, today I am doing my collection obsession, and it is Lullaby Lane by Mintay. And I'm scrapbooking Foster. She's our youngest granddaughter. She just turned 1 October 31st. So her parents, one of her parents, what did I say? 30th. Her parents sent, one of her parents sent this picture, but I thought, oh my gosh, she just looks so tall. Her dad is so tall, and her mom is, I think, maybe a little bit shorter than me, and I'm like 5'3", and I think she might be 5'2", or maybe even shorter, I'm not sure. But she looks just so, she just always looks so long whenever I see her. And so anyhow, I'm using one of the papers from the 6x8 for matting. I love using matting pictures. Now I gotta say, I kept looking for this too. I kept flipping through it, kept thinking, what happened to that? Because I thought about using this. I really love this too. My hubby's just got in the shower and I can still hear him singing. Okay, but I'm gonna use gingham because I do have blocks in the picture. Okay, I think we're straight there. Oh, I should show you this whole paper before I start covering it up. But I just love this. It's just so beautiful. And I love the colors are not pink and blue. I mean, it's like this red, this kind of turquoisey blue. Here's the back of this. It's just beautiful. Okay, and I think if I can get this right where I planned it. Okay, I'm just putting it over this window. Because she's kind of turned where she looks like she's looking more this way. So that's where I feel like it needs to be. Okay, and now this is not the day she's born, so I don't want to have the stork there. As much as I love that little picture. Okay, so I'm going to put this over the stork enough that you won't be able to tell it's the stork. And if you see a little bit of wing and or a little bit of the beak, you won't even realize that that's what it is, you know, except for all you, because you've watched the video. Okay, and then, let's see here, what else was I doing? Okay, and I have another red star, and I'm just going to put it up on a dimensional. I'm trying to find a good size, I think. This one would be good. Yep. And just overlap that. Okay, and then I have this blue star. And I'm gonna, this little baby that's hanging out of the stork's mouth, which looks so adorable. I almost hate to cover it up. I'm gonna put another star. find my scissors. I think I need my tweezers. Ah, sorry. I don't mean to be so loud. Then I probably need one in the middle. Yep. Okay. I thought I had everything, all the dimensionals put on before I started, but I was wrong. Put that one there. Okay. That's all I got up for that area. Okay, and for my title I'm using stickers from the Word, what do they call it? Their Word thing. Oh, words. Okay, and I'm gonna call it Adorable Girl. And let's see, I think I'm gonna put it right on top of that mullion, or what is it? I know these, the little parts between the windows, one's called mullions and the other one's called something else. All I can remember is the mullion one, so if it's that or the other. And the other one I'm just going to put right inside the window because I don't want it down that far. Okay. And then, let's see. I'm also going to put Sweetest, because she is so sweet. She just is so funny because she just looks always so pleasant. So Sweetest is good. And I think I'll go ahead and put this up on a dimensional too. And I'm going to put this one right over top of that one. Okay, and then I've got Precious Moments, because you know how fast they grow. When I think about it, it's like I think, I wish I would have just not worked, stayed at home, and just watch those kids grow up right before my eyes because it happens so fast. Okay. And then I have these little blocks, and this collection is just so pretty. I love how the blocks are. They look like you know, vintage wood blocks, but all the beautiful soft colors. So I'm just actually going to put it right over the blocks that are there. And then I've got the little, I was going to say the little teddy bear, the little bunny. And I'm going to put it right over the bunny that's there. Because the blocks got covered up, then that covered the bunny up when I put those there. Okay, and then I've got a little duck here. I'm going to put that right here over the little duck that was there. Okay, now instead of putting another duck over here, I'm going to put these flowers And it almost looks like I could use bigger flowers. I think that'll be good. I like this one. Because I don't want it so covered up. And I'm not going to completely cover up the duck, but you won't really realize what it is with a little bit of it covered up. Okay, and I think I have everything on here except for my enamel dots, which I haven't even picked out yet. Okay, so am I going to use... I'm really loving using the gems in just like a little tiny way. Okay, what do I have for colors? I kind of want to use red, but that red might be real hard to... Oh, these kind of look like that. This like off-white color. That might be kind of pretty, or a white. I got extra white because I end up using those so fast. Okay, what do I want to use? I think I'm going to use the white. It just looks so soft and subtle. Okay, now I'm just planning. And let's see, I've got 2 shades here. I think I'm going to use this where it's just a little off-white. Maybe pull that off there. Maybe right there. Okay, and stick one up in here. I'm kind of spreading them around like, okay, now I've got my little group of 3 here. And over here I've got, well, there's something here, but I'm really trying to ignore that. I really would like to put something over it. What could I put over it? Kind of like the stars up there. Was I cutting out the other day that had a bunch of bows? Kind of would like one of those. Oh, it was a baby boy one, but those bows I think were a lot darker. Look at this one, it's white. I might put that there. Oh, the little shoes. Love them. Okay, and I know I was right in the middle of enamel dotting. Hopefully I'll remember where I was at. Okay. This will be so cute. She just got new shoes. Okay. I love that. I'm going to leave that here in case I decide I need it. Okay, so I've got that there. And I've got my 5 things there. I like that so much better. And I think And I think I'm gonna put, a medium dot under girl. And then I'm gonna put 2 little dots underneath that. Let's see. Yes, I love it. Okay. Oh, look at that. One jumped right off the page. No, I do not want that there. Okay. No, I didn't pull it off from something else, did I? Okay, I think it's good. Okay. There we go. So I love it. This paper is so gorgeous. I love her in this color. It's so pretty. Okay, so that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow, and we'll have close-ups at the end. And check out the other ladies that are doing Collection Obsession. I think this is a fun way to break into those collections that, you know, it's like you want to hoard, which I could hoard every piece of Mintay, but then I would have no reason to buy another collection. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.